What's the deal with IGTV? Wait, are you guys even old enough to get a terrible Seinfeld impression? Probably not. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Parker York Smith, and today we are going to be talking about IGTV. I've had a couple of days to digest some of the content on there. I've seen a lot of things that I really like, so today I want to go over first why you should be interested in using IGTV, second, how it can benefit you, and then also the moves that you can be making in order to create the best possible content for yourself on that platform. First and foremost, why should you even care about IGTV? Well, I am here to tell you that whether or not you believe it, long form vertical video content is the way of the future. Whether it's for marketing, for information, for entertainment, that is what we're going to be seeing. There's already apps that exist out there where there are short episodes of TV completely on vertical video. So having the opportunity to upload straight to Instagram where you hopefully already have a little bit of an audience is extremely valuable. I was really surprised when I put out a poll on my story the other day asking how many people felt like they would use the service the day that it was announced. And I think I got something like 68% of people said that they would not, because a lot of people just come to Instagram for a quick hit of information, a quick little bit of entertainment. I actually kind of agree with that to a certain extent at this point in time, but I can guarantee you a year from now, if you started today, you will be very happy that you did, because we will be in a place where it will be extremely important to have experience in that type of platform and that type of content, the long form vertical video. So long story short, the reason you should care about IGTV is because it's not going anywhere. This technology, this style of content delivery is going to be around. It's going to be the new norm. So now let's talk a little bit about the benefits that IGTV can provide to you right now. For someone like me, I'm a content creator. I am always trying to educate and entertain. So it's an easy way for me to, one, push to my other existing content. Like for instance, I'm gonna be putting little chunks of my YouTube videos onto my IGTV and then teasing people with that and pushing them over to my YouTube channel. For me at this point, my Instagram audience is bigger than my YouTube audience, so it would be foolish of me not to try to tap into the bigger space in order to push people to my other platforms, whether it's my blog, my YouTube, my Twitter. Some of the other great aspects about this are, for one, you can upload in higher resolution than it's gonna be in your story, so it's gonna look better. Two, you don't have to worry about those 15-second breaks. You don't have to break it up and upload little chunks. You can just do the whole thing. And three, it's just another new great way to reach your audience and find people out there who are going to be interested in this kind of thing. Even though a lot of people may not feel like they are at this moment, by starting now, you're gonna grab those people who are actually into it, and then you're gonna bring them into your fan base, and they can kind of spread the word about your content. They can get other people excited about it, and then you can start to build up that audience from day one, as opposed to trying to jump on board when it's too late. So now that you understand why you should be into it and a few of the benefits, I want to talk to you about how you can be creating the best possible content for IGTV. First and foremost, in terms of equipment, there's no reason why you can't just shoot all of the video with your phone. As long as you have good lighting, this is going to be a good enough camera to take really high quality video for you. If you do need a tripod, I use this one from Joby. It's the Gorilla Pod that you've probably seen a lot of YouTube vloggers and things like that use. There is this little iPhone clip that is sold on Amazon. You slide your phone into it like this. You can then rotate your phone to be vertical, just like that, and this becomes a tripod. So for me, like, I've been doing some workout style videos on my IGTV. So for all of these workouts, you're going to be doing them for 30 seconds, and then you're gonna rest for 20 seconds. And this is a perfect way for me to set this up in a place where I know that it's going to capture what I need, and I don't need to involve other people. I don't need a crew. I can just take care of everything by myself. If you want to step up your video quality even more, I would highly recommend checking out Moment lenses or some other type of iPhone or smartphone lens. This is a wide angle lens. Maybe you've noticed this when you shot video on your phone before, but it doesn't give you the entire frame. When you switch to video, it crops in a little bit tighter. So the nice thing about this wide angle lens is it opens up the entire frame again, so you don't have to be quite so far away from your phone. So if you are speaking, the microphone's gonna pick you up much better. Or just in general, it's gonna give you a slightly more high quality vibe to your video having a lens like this as opposed to just using the camera itself. Because we are dealing with longer form video, feel free to just use the video app, or if you have a Camera Pro or something that you really enjoy that takes even higher quality content, then you can use that as well. But you don't need to worry about shooting the video in Instagram because you want to get the best possible quality, because like I said, you can upload it in a higher resolution than would go on your story. So shoot it in the video app, cut it together in either iMovie or Premiere. I like to go ahead and upload the footage from my phone onto my laptop and edit it in Premiere because that's just what I'm more comfortable with. That's what I use to cut my YouTube videos. But you can very easily use iMovie on your phone and create the entire thing with text, music, graphics. And my last tip is to be sure that you're creating fresh content. Even though it's daunting to think about a whole new platform that you have to create even more content for, I get it. Trust me, I'm a little bit overwhelmed about that. But even like I said before, I'm gonna be using a lot of the footage that I'm already creating for my YouTube videos as kind of a teaser. And then I'll just add a little bit of a bumper either at the beginning or the end of the video and cut a slightly separate video for my IGTV. So all you have to end up doing is recording that little extra bit, slapping it on the end, and teasing it to push to your other pages. Just be sure that it's something that is a slight bit different than what you're uploading in your other places, because otherwise people are gonna start to recognize that you're just kind of doing the same thing on all of your platforms, as opposed to, wow, the YouTube is really long form, that's where he really gets into detail. The IG is really nice and curated and beautiful and clean, and then the IG stories are really behind the scenes, kind of fun and interesting. And now you kind of have to start to think about what you can be doing on IGTV that is maybe a cross of all of those things, or something completely new. If you can come up with that, then more power to you. All right, I feel like that was a bunch of information. I hope that it was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. Be sure you go follow me on Instagram so you can see what I'm doing on IGTV. Hopefully get some inspiration for yourself. I'm gonna definitely be checking out a lot of other people's things, so put your handle down in the comments so I can go check out your page and what kind of cool stuff you are doing on your TV. And I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye.